Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 or 4 tips on the tricks and hacks on working on your park tool or any kind of stand for your bike. So let's get into it right now. So the first thing that you want to do when you get one of these, I'm using the PCS9 in my case over here. When you're about to put your bike on a stand, you never want to clamp it here on the top tube or on this tube over here. If you look over here, look how I have maintained my tube. It looks spotless. The reason why is that you see here, I have it clamped right here, and this is how you wanna clamp your bike, because this clamp over here, the top tube or this tube over here is not gonna be able to withstand the fork. The force that's gonna be pushed by this clamp over here. And that's especially true if you're going to be clamping one of these carbon bikes. Chances are that you're going to break this top tube if you're going to clamp it here. So you want to clamp it on that carbon seat post right there. So getting back on this is the first thing. So you want to do this. The second thing that I like to focus on will be get the proper height for your bike. You see here? So always have it set at the right height. So what I usually do, I just come here, I clamp my bike, and I'm all set. So tip number 2. Okay, now let's go with tip number 3 over here. You see, I have a marker here. Now chances are, when you're gonna be clamping on this post over here, seat post, you're gonna have to raise up the seat post quite a bit sometimes in order to fit here in the clamp. Now you see here, this one is not that big, but it's a decent size. So you look over here, what I will do now, I'm gonna just mark. I'm gonna put a dot, see? So I put a dot over there. See, there's a dot. Now I know how far out I was and how I can go back and adjust that seat post at that certain height right there. So this is gonna go the long way, and it's gonna help you set that seat post back. Now another hack that I have here, if you look over here, the clamps that come on these stands this is rubberized. So this is kind of rubberized tool, and this is the steel, this is rubber. If you want to get that extra protection, what I like to do, I like to put one of these, here you go, nice microfiber towel, so you get that protection and you don't scuff up your frame, you don't scuff up your seat post. And it's really useful. Now the other one here, if I may show you from this angle, keep that bike stand nice and clean and scratch free. So if you have to, let's say, move the states, move the provinces, you can always sell it for top dollars. And you don't have to pay the shipping if you cannot take it with you and whatnot. And those would be the 4 hacks how to work on your bike. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.